And welcome back to my farming journey. It's Roland here on this really cold morning. Today in the morning when I came to the barn, minus 28 degrees Celsius. Right now it's somewhere around 20. It's really cold, everything is frozen. And it's been like this for a week now. Not this cold. This cold is about 2-3 days. But a week it's been minus 20 something. Minus 17, minus 20, something like that. That wasn't that cold as it is right now. And there's the manure transporter. That's frozen. We need to get it open. Need to get it moving. We'll get to that in a bit. But before that, I'm gonna show you how our tractor brake. Well, not how it braked, but a bit of a fixing process. Guy from the Steyr dealership came out on a Saturday morning to get it fixed. At the beginning I thought it was the snowplow that broke, but actually it was the tractor. It was leaking oil badly. But yeah, I'm gonna show you that right now, and then let's get moving on to this thingy. I'm at my friend's farm because he has a warm garage where I can take in my Steyr, because the Steyr broke yesterday. It has started leaking oil from the hydraulic. My snowplow started not to work. So right now I have mechanic from our Steyr dealership here. So he's trying to find the fault for that. So yeah, let's go check it out how it looks inside. Somewhere in there is a problem. Everything in there covered in oil. Only some screws. Untighten it. Let's test again. No, that's it.
Löytyy tuo vieto. Näyttää varmaan.
Not fixed. You can see there that little pink thingy. There's another one, supposed to be farther, and it's broken. That was causing the oil leak. Right, guys? These are the guys here. They're not mechanics, they're not helping, only messing around. Yep. That was the cause of all the oil leak. And the tractor's all good. Now we just need to add some oil. Okay, let's move on. Let's try to open this one up somehow. Already tried a bit opening, and I remember I have to film this. The chain itself is moving, but the connections between the chains, they're frozen. So it turns around, down and up there. Need to get them moving too. The manure down there is frozen solid. Some people said you need to cover it with salt so it doesn't freeze. That's the salt. In this cold, it doesn't help. The manure has piled up, so they're saying it's gonna get warmer today. It's gonna be +1 tomorrow daytime. So I'm gonna need to come in with the tractor and push all that pile away. put a lot of hay in to stop the cold from coming in, but I guess it's not helping. So yeah, get on with that. So it's not coming loose. I think we just need to hit it and do things with this. It's really hard to show you anything because there's no place to put you. I really need to buy that thing. Adrian from My Farm E-Farm suggested that gorilla pod or tripod with a thingy on the end where I can clap you with a clap or what it's called. I really need to get that, but for now we have to do it somehow like this. So it is moving a little bit. Let's try it out. I need to just slowly get it moving and try not to overheat the motor. Okay, it stopped again. I need to move it a little bit too again. It's really hard to understand which place it is exactly frozen. Might be the top because the down is moving. And it is working, finally. Whew. You don't see me. Sorry. Everything is covered back up. Oh, need to put a little bit there. So cold doesn't come in so much. But it's getting already warmer, so it's gonna be -1 or 2 degrees this evening. So let's feed our little friends here. Already got some feed there. Some meat and some fat. Fat covered seeds. Now I'm gonna put in the bird feeder a little bit of sunflower seeds. Now we're gonna roll down a hay bale for the cows, and then we're gonna go try start the tractor. This side is all empty. Those are straw bales. They were standing there in the middle, so we took them away from the way for those bales. So I need to get one of those bales up there to there. This bale has some way too much net wrap on it. Don't know why. Maybe the baler's fault or my fault. Now let's feed the cows. And I finally decided to sell the bull calves. And as from the sound of my dogs, I can hear the guy has come to pick them up. And the bull calves are gone. They went on a trip. They didn't go to slaughter. They go to export. Only little small heifer left here, and the big heifers. We need to rotate the heifers too. That big one need to go to the dairy barn, but I thought I'm gonna do it after this cold spell, so there's more animals in this barn, a bit warmer, although still cold. Yeah, I decided to sell the bull calves because the milk replacer is expensive. Didn't want to give them milk, and yeah, we'll see. I hope to raise some bull calves over the summer for our own beef supply. About that I'm gonna talk on another video, probably about next season's plans. So should I make a video about next season plans? You tell me. Maybe I should. Maybe you're not interested. Maybe you are. So tell me. But yeah, the bull calves are gone. And wanted to show you this evening. In the morning we had trouble with the manure transporter. This evening it's -8 outside and it works like usual. Starts no trouble. Now I'm gonna clean the barn and I'm gonna show you the tractor starting. We'll see if it starts or not. Usually we use well, I'm gonna shut off the light. Usually these past few days we used 2 batteries connected to each other to start Steyr, but hopefully right now it starts on its own because it's -8, not -28, so we'll see. Bye. Let's try start the tractor. And the tractor started. That was lucky one. For the past few days we just been putting a second battery on it with the wires. So yeah, need to change the battery, but the original battery it's not so easy available. So yeah, I bought a different battery, but I just now put it on. It's not the same, and I don't know if it fits well, but yeah. But it started with the old battery now. I guess the -27, 28 wasn't so good on the tractor. But right now, it started, it's -8 outside. I hope you can see me. Yeah. And the first day of the cold, we definitely didn't get the tractor running. So my neighbor came out, helped me, bring in some silage. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of footage now. My friend came with his case and bring in some silage bales. So let's watch that. And welcome back to my farming journey. This is cold day today. We couldn't start the Steyr. The battery is dead. Couldn't recharge it because it's dead. Now my friend came out with his case to help us to feed the cows. We need to figure this problem out. It's -20 outside. This is some good silage. And the case is there. And I'm cleaning snow. Snow blowing back right now. With my daughter. I'm taking her home from kindergarten with tractor. Because I was in the neighborhood of the kindergarten, so Why not? Lucky daughter. Say hi. Okay. I'm gonna show you a bit later how we cleaning snow. See you soon. The tractor got started. It's been crazy couple of days. Everything's freezing, and just let's hope this cold spell doesn't come back this winter anymore. It's okay to have -10, -12, max -15, but above -15 it's too cold. Okay, I think it's gonna be it for today's video. Tractor got started. I just need to finish some evening chores, and we're done for this evening too. So you've seen that. You can actually write down in comments if you want to see another chore video on the barn, evening chores or morning chores. Write that down in comments and let me know. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and continue following my farming journey. Bye.